Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is linked to titrations. You should be able to carry out titration, as this is a required practical. As part of the titration, you should have used an indicator. An indicator could be a universal indicator, which estimates the pH by a variety of colours, as it contains a mix of indicators. It is not used though generally in titrations, as the change from acid to alkali is too gradual. The indicators that you tend to use, therefore, are phenolphthalein, which is good to use for an acid to alkali titration, as it is a single indicator. It is pink when in an alkali and colourless when in an acid. Another indicator is methyl orange. This is again good to use for an acid-alkali titration, as it is a single indicator. It is yellow in alkali and red in acid. Finally, litmus. This is again good for an acid to alkali titration, again because it is a single indicator. It is blue within an alkali and red within an acid.